Longest consecutive sequence. So we have given an unsorted integers of array. We need to return the length of longest consecutive element, and we have to write the algorithm in O of n. So that means we can't do sorting. To achieve this in O of n of time, we can store one thing from here that we are doing in this series is using a hash set, obviously to do the O of 1 lookup. For every time we see a number x, so how it is going to make a sequence? It's only possible if 99 is present in that hash set or 101 is present in that hash set. Then we can say it can make a sequence. If it does not, then either it won't make a sequence or this is the start of the sequence. Every time we are going to assume that if, as for example, 400, if 99 does not exist, then that means there is a possibility of 101, 102, 103. That means this is the start of the sequence. Let me try with the animation. So we have our 100. We need to check. First thing first, we can convert this array into set in O of n time. It's not an issue with type conversion in Python. So assume that we have now, instead of list, we have a set present with us. We can quickly check 100 minus 1, 99. It is not in the set. That means this will become, it is a start of the, it is a potential sequence and we are at the start. So now we can mark the length as 1 because we have one element. Now we'll check for 101. We don't find 1. There is nothing 101 in our hash set. So we can say, okay, current answer is 1. We have since found the 1 chain. Now we are going to look at the second number, which is 4. Once we are seeing the 4, you will see 4 is not a start of the sequence because 3 is already present. So we can just continue in that case. Now 200, because 199 is not a part of our set, so that's why we can treat this as a potential sequence. Now 201 is not present, so that's why it is still our answer is 1. Now after that we finally come to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is not present, so this is a potential start of a sequence. Now 1 plus 1, 2, it also exists in our set, so we can still continue. Now 3 is also in the set. Every time we are updating our answer, our current streak is 3 and 4 is our answer. 5 is not present, so our max answer is 4. And by doing that, you are at the end of the array. Perfect, you are able to find the solution. I hope that makes sense. The analogy that we are trying to refer here, it's very simple. So now let's try to solve this question. We can make the nums as numset with simple type conversion, and we can make a tracker for our answer. Let's iterate through all of the numbers. If n minus 1 in is not in numset, then we can start with one length. This is a potential start of the sequence, and then n plus whatever length we were able to build is in the num set. We can, till this point, we can increase our length. So what this part of code is actually getting executed here at this point. 1, you found 2, you're increasing length. You find 3, you're increasing length. 4, you're increasing length. And then it's going to invalidate. As soon as you make 5, you are going to invalidate this while loop and you exit out of it. So we can update our answer longest, whatever be the length that we have seen so far. And then we can return the longest. I hope that I have not make any typos. Let me quickly check. All right, and it should be outside. Perfect. Enjoyed this problem? There are hundreds more completely free, no login needed. Head over to codedive.n and start solving today.